Hello students, today we are going to do exercise of chapter number 3. We will also discuss the questions I gave you in the last class. So before we start, let me tell you summary of the chapter. The chapter is about a shepherd. He was very wise and he used to help people in solving their problems. When the king came to know about this, he came to see him and was really impressed. So he made him governor of a district. Soon he became very famous because of his wisdom and kindness. People loved him, so other governors grew jealous. They complained to the king that the new governor was dishonest. He always kept some treasure in an iron chest. So the king ordered the shepherd or the new governor to come to the palace. When he came to the palace with the iron chest and opened it, everybody was surprised. There was an old blanket. He told the king that the old blanket was his oldest friend and would always stay with him. The king was really impressed with his answer and he rewarded him. He made him governor of a bigger district. So this was your chapter. On the basis of the chapter, I gave you few questions and most of the students answered them correctly, but you made some mistakes. About these mistakes we are going to talk in this lesson. So I give you one question: did the shepherd help the people? Now see, what is there? This is did, means simple past tense. So whenever did is there in the question, while writing answer we always use verb's second form. So instead of help, helped will come here, right? In question, did plus verb first form you will get, like did is here and help, verb first form is used. But while writing answer you will use verb's second form, okay, like helped, came, went, etc. One more question was there: what was there in the box? Now you answered the question correctly that there was an old blanket or there was a blanket, but some students used the article incorrectly, right? For example, a blanket. Now here the word is starting with sound of a consonant, so you can use a, but some students used an. A we use before those words which start with sound of consonant, and an we use before those words which start with the sound of vowel. So this word blanket is starting with sound of b, means a consonant, so we will use a. So a blanket is correct, but an blanket is not correct. Similarly, an old blanket. Now which word is here? Old. The sound is starting with a vowel, so we'll use an. An old blanket is correct, but a old blanket is incorrect. Next question was: what was it that the shepherd always carried with him? So it was an iron chest or a box. There was a blanket too, but about the blanket we came to know in the end of the chapter. Plus some students answered it money or tax. The other governors thought that there was money or tax, but it wasn't there, right? So what was it? The shepherd always carried an iron chest, not money or tax. Got it? So what did we learn today? That first we have to use correct form of verb in the sentence or in our answer. Second thing, whenever you start your sentence, you always begin your sentence with capital letter. Proper nouns also start with capital alphabet. Some students missed one or two questions, so remember you have to attempt all the questions very carefully.